Hi, I'm Lataeshia. Thank you for tuning in with me for my new video. It's starting to change into the beautiful holiday season. I'm making a easy whipped cream and cookie crumbles hot chocolate. Let's get into the video. I'm using cookies, hot chocolate, and whipped cream. I will use a glass and pour one packet of hot chocolate in hot water, then add milk. Add whipped cream. Use chocolate cookie sandwiches and remove the icing. Crumble the cookies in a bag and sprinkle them over the whipped cream. Yum! A whipped cream and cookie crumbles hot chocolate beverage. All done. Subscribe to my channel at Lataeshia Miss Doll Lady World. And thank you for watching.